Maybe what you are buying?
So I'm gonna buy some gelato jalebi.
Okay.
Not much. No, those gonna be pretty much sweet. So that's why I'm gonna buy less. How many you want in chori? दो चोरी पे कर वो रुपये कर और दो जो है ना आलू So I bought some kachori, those ones, and then I'm gonna buy some samosas. So we just bought it. So I'm gonna pay and I'm gonna go home and break the fast, right?
Okay. Let me know what you are doing.
So thank you very much watching for enjoystarfood. So we are here today. We're gonna buy some chapli kabab. That is a very famous Pakistani delicacy. So we ordered some kebabs and we ordered some naan as well. So he's gonna make fresh for us.
Let's see the making process.
Yeah. So he got it in.
So he makes the packing first. Okay. Trying the packing. Making another one. Another one. Ordered 3 patties of chapli kabab. Heavy. It is spicy or not?
ये बहुत ज़्यादा मसाला तो नहीं है इसमें नॉर्मल ये जो कहते हैं तब स्पाइसी so he said it's like a
He's making the naan. Make the naan.
here he's making putting some excuse me थोड़ी जगह that's how they are making it it's putting it like that a couple of them the one shot. There you go. Just done it. So those 3 kebabs are ready to go and you can put them in the bag and then we order 5 naan. Look at that. So he's putting some special masala. Secret masala is it? Kali mirch. So it's a black pepper actually. And he's going to pack the 5 naan. Yeah, it's about the restaurant and yeah.